schedule process this management video schedule. And we hope that your stay with few minutes in Seranga will be memorable. Just a few slides we have to sugarcane farmers. For the next list, so we cover right up to the Rabuka village and right up to the hill.
Already, as you know, the government has plans for this area, and that is the reason as to why we are here. And of course, any reason to visit National Fire Authority. So this is my first visit to National Fire Authority, and to look at, just to see this building, it speaks volume in terms of, your commitment in keeping this place so neat and tidy. And that's precisely what we would like to see. At the end of the day, is the resources you have, and you need to maintain it properly, look after them, because if you don't, then don't think that you can come back again asking for more money. So you've got to have your maintenance plan and just keep this place the way it is. And it's really beautiful. The design is excellent. And I'm sure your officers must be enjoying the ambience and the environment over here. Just to tell you a little bit more about the development, you have already heard, I'm sure, in a small place like Senganga, people do talk. They know what's happening around. We are here precisely to look at the satellite town. We want to develop a satellite town in Senganga, and the intention is to get the planning going and to get it done very quickly. So we would be putting up the intention is to put up a market, bus station, carrier stand, and other facilities that go along with it, and also to develop the sports field or the open space that we have. And we would like to provide all these services to a small place like Senganga. The intention is to curb the urban drift that we normally have, and to keep people within the area. And Senganga being small and so beautiful, I think with our planning, we can maintain the beauty of this place and offer a lot more to the people of this place. All right, so with this word, I thank you once again for your hospitality. We're going to look forward to that. And also for your presentation. Vinagana.
Plus 3 progressive firefighters. So altogether we have 5. We have 6. As you have seen, we have 2 trucks and 1 demo. It's a bit aged truck, but we keep on using the resources we have, and we maintaining the truck. So once they lay the water mains, they came up to us. Then we only have 17 within the Senganga community. And we conduct inspection on a yearly basis.
The service free or you charge?
It's been paid for services.
Okay.
In India, we call it property fire. We can call it as a house fire.
This is the overnight.
So this is your front end?
So this is the exchange office, and this is the like here was we supposed to get together our stakeholders.
And
Okay.
very impressive.
But this is our market, because we work 24 hours, we will be at 24 hours. Well done.
Yeah, this is the there's a gym room.
Oh, no wonder these guys are paid.
Very fit, yeah.
Oh, this is...
Yeah. We've been forward to have the officers barracks.
Okay.
Yeah, so those officers when they do come, back. So dan